Today we've got this black Range Rover Evoque in, and it's a convertible. I didn't even know these existed, but we are cleaning this convertible because it is very mouldy, and we're treating it as well, and then we're giving it exterior and interior good go over. So a spray, let it lay, and rinse away. If you want to get a really good wheel cleaner, a great fallout, check out EZ Car Care, link is below, you'll get yourself a nice little discount as well. It's like bloody brand new, man. Minus the scuff. Don't look at the scuff. So I'm going to pre-rinse the convertible roof first, spray my all-purpose cleaner, spray some snowfoam over it, rinse that away, see what I'm left with, and then I'll repeat the process but then agitate it. The thing is with convertible roofs, it can take a bit of time. The worse it is, the longer obviously it's going to take, but it's just a case of repeating the process. Closer inspection, I reckon I can just agitate that. It's only really in the seams where it's mouldy. Weapons of choice: handheld brush, drill brush. So you probably won't see it. I've got my fingers where I don't want the bristles to go, so I'm putting my fingers at the very limited end of where the bristles are going to go. So I'm there against the edge of the bristles. So yeah, it may look like I'm actually scratching the glass, but it's just a nice little sort of safety reference you've got, because I'm running my fingers alongside as the bristles are. It's a weird one, this convertible roof. Usually with convertible roofs, as it goes back, you can access like the back end of it, because obviously it's exposed, because where it goes into comes up. Are you with me? So if the back end opens up and the roof goes in, if you get it halfway up, then obviously you get access to the back because you can see it, it's halfway up. But with this, it just goes in on itself. So there's only so far you can really get in, because it doesn't go any further. It's not like the back end goes out and then it goes in.
Even if you stop halfway.
No, well, because we did it before to see what it was like, and it literally just folds in on itself. So this is as much access as I'm going to get, you know, for me fingering it. I can't get there with my brush though. I am agitating it because I can feel the bottom of the material. It stops there.
Do the EZ drying towels work on convertible material?
Yeah, they will do, yeah.
Where can people get them?
Funny you should say that, Thomas. If you click the link below, you'll be able to get a discount with Vulpix 10. Just click the link, get it into your basket, and it automatically takes a discount off. And believe it or not, if they have a sale on with 56% off with our link, you'll also get another 10% on top of that. windscreen, rinse. So basically top of the car then rinse. Less likely to get them nasty water spotties. Did you just drop the wash mitt? Yeah, sorry. You will be sorry. For sake. It's going to be a moment of truth, Tom. I wouldn't be drying it if I wasn't feeling confident. I'll give it to you right off the tin. It's a powerful water repellent, protects against UV protection, incredibly hydrophobic. Apply onto a clean surface, make sure it's dry. You can put on multiple layers.
So it's basically just
you can put it on fabrics.
It's
not necessarily for convertible roofs, so if you want to put on your tent, shoes, whatever.
It's ceramic coating for fabric.
Yes.
So you could have just said that.
Left back. Oh yeah, that feels brilliant right now. variable. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment on future videos you'd like to see on this channel, and I'll get back to you, and if it's doable, we'll make it happen. There'll be a link to our website just below this video. If you want to book us, feel free. You can see what availability we have for you and what services that we may be able to help you with. Also, alongside that, there'll be some affiliate links for EZ Car Care, which allow you to get discounts on anything and everything on their website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.